Hi everyone, this is Shravan. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this is regarding probationary officers recruitment in ECGC Limited, Export Credit Guarantee Corporation of India Limited. So the online examination for selection of personnel for the post of probationary officer in ECGC Limited in the pay scale of 32,795 and the gross emolument 62,315 rupees is scheduled in the March 2021. This is not revised pay scale, so revised pay scale is not mentioned here. And officers are also eligible for the allowances and benefits like DRS allowances, HRA, house rental allowances, house lease reimbursement. Okay, we have so many allowances here. Please go through that. Cost to company provided here 13 lakhs per annum. So online registration including edit and modification of application by the candidate is 1st January 2021 to 31st January 2021. Online written examination date is 14th March 2021 and interview can be expected in the month of April. This is the tentative month and declaration of final result is April or May 2021. This is the useful website to apply this particular recruitment. And here the total number of vacancies including backlog vacancies, the total number of posts are 59. Eligibility criteria. So here the minimum age is 21 years and maximum age is 30 years. And here the age relaxation table is mentioned here. There is the common age relaxation, so please go through that. And the minimum educational qualification as on 31st January 2021. If you want to apply this particular notification, you should complete your graduation on or before 31st January 2021. Definitely you have to produce your mark sheet 2020 and before 2020 passed outs only eligible for this particular recruitment. 2021 passed outs are not eligible for this recruitment. So this is related to economically weaker section. Okay, whoever comes under economically weaker section, once please check this data. And this is recruitment process. First online examination. So this is multiple choice questions. So okay, total we have 5 sections: reasoning ability, English language, and computer knowledge, general awareness, and quantitative aptitude. For reasoning ability, we have total 50 questions, maximum marks 50, and the time duration is 40 minutes. Sectional time cutoff also there. And English language, total 40 questions, 40 marks, 30 minutes time. Computer knowledge, total 20 questions, 20 marks, 10 minutes time. General awareness, 40 questions and 40 marks, and we have 20 minutes duration. And quantitative aptitude, 50 questions, 50 marks, and 40 minutes duration. Total 200 questions, 200 marks, 140 minutes. And the test paper 2, which is a descriptive paper, and we have 2 sections: essay writing and thesis writing. So total we have 2 questions. Okay, out of 2 you can choose any one. So each one carries 20 marks, total 40 marks, and the time duration which are provided here is 40 minutes for both questions together. Okay, 40 minutes for both questions together. So total this is 140 minutes and this is 40 minutes, 180 minutes. That means 3 hours examination, and there will be a penalty for wrong answer. So each correct answer you will score 1 mark, and for each wrong answer you will get minus 0.25 marks. Okay, so there is a negative marks 1/4. Okay, and the online examination will be conducted at 20 centers. Here the mentioned centers, so please go through that. And the cutoffs are applied in 2 stages: on scores on individual tests, okay, test 1 and test 2, and total score also. And here this is one important note: marks obtained in the online examination will be considered for shortlisting for interview, and marks obtained in online examination and interview together will be taken for final listing. Examination and interview marks both are considered for final merit list. Okay, and here one more thing: so the total marks allotted for interview are 60. So the minimum qualifying marks in interview will not be less than 40%, and that is 35% for SC, ST, OBC candidates. Okay, if you score minimum 35%, then only those people are considered for final merit list. And other than SC, ST, OBC, remaining people will score minimum 40% marks, and only they will consider for final merit list. Okay, this is one important factor. Social distancing mode, conduct of exam related instruction. Please go through that particular instructions they are providing here. So this is self declaration certificate. Okay, So here certain parameters are mentioned here, so please go through that: cough, fevers, sore throat, runny nose. If you have, just you can tick the box, otherwise you can leave that. Okay, so just you can fill this entire form and you can submit it at the time of examination. Okay, this is a self declaration certificate. This is must and should for any exam. Okay, not for this particular exam. If you write any exam, you have to produce this self declaration certificate. Okay, this is regarding ECGC probationary officers recruitment notification. For more job update, please subscribe my channel and share this information with your friends. And if you have any doubts regarding this particular recruitment, comment on comment section, and please like the video. Thank you.